making a nest on the fan, and the sticks were all falling. So now we're gonna make a nest for the birds and try to help them and make it in this box and hang it up on the wall. So first I'm gonna put some of these twigs, a lot of these twigs, which all of the 2 birds found, which is kind of crazy because like they collect a lot of twigs. We have some bird food here. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit. Oh, here's another. And we'll sprinkle a little bit. Okay, that's enough. Okay, this is for the bird nest. All in this corner right here. Oh. Yeah.
Now you're gonna make it funny.
Ready? Go.
No, wait.
Jump.
Okay.
I'm scared. Oh no.
1, vamos, 1, 2.
Screwdriver. So 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Okay, he's doing it now.